So here we have for sale Oomaroo. She's a 60-foot 2-inch cruiser stern narrowboat. The midsection of the shell dates back to 1976, but she has had recent steel modifications. The stern and the bow have been rebuilt, and she was also extended by 10 foot. Full details are in the brochure. So she's here at North Kilworth Marina. Propulsion is by a Canaline 42 horsepower diesel engine, and that was new in 2021. And we'll go and take a look on board. Stepping in from the aft cruiser stern. Electrical cupboard, 3 kilowatt inverter charger. There's also 2 solar panels on the roof, 175 watt panels each, and an MPPT controller. Into the aft cabin, single bench seat, that does make a single berth. Storage. So she's been recently refitted by the owner, professional carpenter. Washing machine, top loader washing machine. She's in an as new condition. The fit out is in oak ply and painted ply with Canaline flooring. Walk-through shower room, quadrant shower with laminate linings. Hot water is heated by the Webasto diesel boiler, engine and immersion. Cassette toilet. Into the midships bedroom, permanent double berth there, 6 foot by 4 foot, does extend to 4'6". And forward into the galley. Very modern galley. High level gas oven and grill. Under counter fridge. Inset stainless steel sink. Gas hob, set of side doors, more storage on the opposite side. There's also a separate under counter freezer. And a magic corner cupboard. Central heating is by the Webasto diesel boiler, and there's also a solid fuel stove. Breakfast bar area, and in the saloon there is a sofa bed. Makes a double 6'4" by 4 foot. And the well deck is covered by a cratch board and covers. We'll just walk back through the boat. Oomaroo is here at North Kilworth Marina. Do give us a call to arrange a viewing, 01788 822 115. I should also say that there is a recent hull survey carried out in February 2026. All the recommendations were carried out and have been signed off this in April 2026. All the details can be found on our website. You can download the full specification brochure, www.abnb.co.uk.